Putting solar panels on the roof to try to eliminate some of the heat soak that goes to the roof into the interior. I'm getting temperatures of like 120 degrees measurement on this black roof up here. It's just absorbing the heat and going right in here. So unfortunately, this episode's going to be about removing the heat soak and doing something about the roof and insulating it. So I have got to remove all of the interior for the roof and pull all that stuff out of there and insulate it. That's first. I'm going to see how that works, and if that doesn't do any good, I'm going to try to use these solar panels to give me a layer up there of protection from the sun. And if that doesn't work, I may have to work on, painting some of that white up there to reflect the heat. So, here we go. Got enough room up here for 4 83-watt solar panels if I mount them like this. I'm not a big fan of the ones in the front. Definitely disrupts the airflow, it looks like. May just end up putting 2. That's nice knowing I can slide the whole shower out. Modular. Yeah, if we can only get it out the door, that's really the problem. There's the part that I really hate taking down, is this part right here. What do we do next? I guess I'll just gonna have to figure out how this comes down without tearing it up.
Why, you can put it back up?
Well, we don't have to. We can put something else up.
You need to put something cool up.
Like what?
Look, this is like a limo thing.
Alright, we'll put something non-limo.
This strips of skinny wood.
Alright, maybe we'll do that. We'll see.
Or you said it didn't look good?
No, I don't know. I saw another one that was done like that. Didn't look good, but we'll see. Man, that's some good tape. I think we need to start from the front and start pulling it back. Ooh, there's some padding.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay, so I think I'm going to proceed. I don't think this stuff offers much insulating value. So all this is going to be coming down, and it's going to be replaced by something with some good R value, polyiso or something, whatever I figure out it's going to be. So I got to do that without getting all this in my coffee somehow. Got all the old sound deadener, which I don't think would be very good insulation. So I tore all that out, and then I started putting some polyiso left over from the box camper, and it was only like a 1/2 inch, which equates to a 5.3 R value. And I plan on at least 3 layers of that, maybe 4. It's according to what I can get away with. So 3 layers will give me 3 and 3 is 9, about 10 R, and 4 would give me, close to around about 12, 13 R value, which is that's ideal. I think about 13 R value would be probably the best to have. I'm putting the foil-based going straight up towards the roof to kind of radiate the heat. I don't know if that's the right way to do it or not, but that's the way I'm doing it. Most of these up here are held in place because there's a gap between the roll bar and the fiberglass roof. So it's just kind of like they're set, and I can glue to this and just kind of build up what I need to get to about an R12 or R13 ideally. And I think I'm going to build a little reinforcement around the air conditioner because the fiberglass is, you know, it's strong right here, but I got these steel bars that I can attach to. So I'm gonna make a little bit of reinforcement just to be safe. So putting a couple of relief cuts in the insulation so that it can conform to the roof, the curvature of the roof. Okay, you guys ready for a real world test? It's 84 degrees outside. It's pretty warm. I've got 3 layers here, 4 layers here, and nothing over here. So let's start with the 4 layers. Hopefully you guys can see that. 90, dead on, maybe 92, 93 degrees. Okay. And over here with 3 layers, 96 degrees. About 3 degrees difference. And over here with nothing, 118. And there's your real world results. Quite a difference. I guess it's not much difference going between 4 layers and 3 layers. It's probably 3 degrees, so I don't think I'm going to worry about between 3 and 4 layers, but 3 layers of polyiso, 1/2 inch, which is an R3.2, I think. Yeah, I believe it's R3.2. Here we go. I can't see it. Oh. R3.2. So we got 3 layers of R3.2 versus 4 layers of R3.2, and you're talking about 3 degrees difference. I mean, every little bit counts, but is it that much difference between no insulation, which is 118, and I think this was 96, something like that. That's quite a bit of difference. Yeah, so I'm gonna pack in insulation everywhere I can, just little tiny pieces here and there, and try to seal it up really well. At least 2 to 3 layers, preferably 3. Okay. All right, just about have it here. I cut out a couple of these panels back here to kind of reduce some of the heat coming in, but it's really, for the windows, you would think there'd be a lot of heat coming through, but let's see, 74 degrees, and if you hit the window over here, we're looking at 84 degrees, about a 10-degree difference. Yeah, but the roof has definitely made a big difference. I was getting 100 degrees. There's more realistic right here. I'm about 88 right here, and about 86, 80, yeah, about 88 degrees. So it's going from like 100 something. Let me see if I can find an empty spot that I hadn't hit yet. Anyway, check this out. Yeah, it's 128 up there. So does insulation make a difference? Absolutely makes a difference. Before I was like, I'll just get an overpowered air conditioner and run it full blast. You absolutely need to put some kind of R value in your walls. And I went with polyiso, and I'm averaging probably about an R10 on everything. Some places maybe R13, but for the most part about an R10 on everything, and that seems to be doing. Now the major source of heat seems to be the cab up there. The windows are really not that bad, believe it or not. But the cab up there, I definitely need to cover those windows up. Yeah, so I had the AC set on 67, and I'm maintaining about a 72 degree temperature in here. So it's almost there. I think once I seal this heat source up front, it's going to really make a difference. So I got to go find something to cover these windows up.
Hey, thanks for watching my channel, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do for future updates. Remember, build it, don't buy it.